Here's your Maytag washer. It's basically Kenmore Whirlpool design. Now made by Maytag. I don't believe all the newer Maytags are made with this design, but I've seen a few of them. So here's your control knob here. You can see that there's a line that lines up here, so it has to go in that way. And so basically you see this tab here, that tab has to be pushed in once the knob is set in place. That piece there has to be pushed back far so that the end of this will receive it. And so if we take a knife or something similar and push that back, let's clean it off a little. I just got done rebuilding this timer, so we're putting her back together. Okay, so make sure this is pushed in. And that'll lock it in place. And then so this lid switch here actually broke, and I had to stuff a sort of a shim in there to hold it in place. The thing that held it in place was broken. And so to check this, basically, if you'll notice the wires, of course the green is the ground, so we're not concerned about that at this point. So basically, if you run a meter between these two terminals here, you should have continuity when the door is shut. If it's open, then you will have to replace the switch, and or in a pinch you can connect these wires here, the white and the gray, only in a pinch to test. And then there's your disclaimer. If you need any help, you can contact me at applianceworks@yahoo.com, 707-445-1591. Thanks for watching.